Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Blizzard. Rumble is a dynamic video platform that champions free speech and offers creators diverse monetization avenues. On the other hand, Blizzard Entertainment stands as a titan in the gaming industry, celebrated for its iconic game development and publishing. We will delve into their distinct business models, content offerings, and the unique audiences each platform serves, providing a clear understanding of their core operations and value propositions. This comparison will highlight their fundamental differences. Rumble positions itself as a haven for content creators, prioritizing freedom of expression and robust monetization. Creators can generate income through advertising revenue, direct subscriptions, and viewer donations, fostering a supportive environment. The platform aims to be a significant alternative to more established video sharing sites, often featuring a wide array of news, political discussions, and independent voices. It empowers individuals to share their perspectives without extensive content restrictions. Blizzard Entertainment is renowned for crafting immersive gaming worlds and beloved franchises such as Warcraft, Diablo, and Overwatch. Their primary revenue streams are derived from game sales, in-game purchases, and subscription models for certain titles. The company is dedicated to delivering high-quality, engaging gaming experiences that captivate millions of players worldwide. Blizzard cultivates a vibrant and dedicated community around its competitive and narrative-rich games, emphasizing player engagement and long-term enjoyment. The fundamental difference lies in their core functions. Rumble is a video hosting and sharing platform, whereas Blizzard is a premier video game developer and publisher. Their target audiences and the types of content they offer are entirely distinct. Rumble champions creator autonomy and diverse viewpoints, while Blizzard focuses on delivering unparalleled gaming experiences. Ultimately, determining which is better depends entirely on your individual needs and interests, whether you seek video content or interactive entertainment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.